With Instant Masseuse, booking a massage is as simple as a few clicks. Here's a step-by-step guide to booking a massage on instantmasseuse.com. First, click Book a Massage Now on the homepage. Choose whether you are searching for a masseuse or masseurs. Check this option if you want. Add the address where you want the massage, then hit Search. Select the one who you want to book. Here you can set the date and the time to receive massage. Now hit Sign Up to start creating an account. Register by filling out your details. Fill out your name. Choose if you are male or female. Fill out your email. And then click on Send Verification Code. After entering the security code, type the code that just sent to your email. Set a password and add the address. Here, type any information the masseuse should know about your address. Accept the site terms and hit Sign Up. Activate your phone number here. Hit this button, then enter the verification code that's sent to your phone. Hit Update, and now you are in. Go to Buy Massage tab and buy a massage code. Go to Search tab and choose what you want from your masseuse or masseurs. Check this option if you want, then hit Search. Select the masseuse, the date, and the time to receive massage. After you are done, hit Yes and you are all set. Keep this code and give to her when she arrives. From here, you can cancel appointment, send text to them, or report a problem. Simple, fast, and secure.
Hi,